Hi guys, ako si Rhea, isang OFW dito sa Malaysia, and welcome to my vlog. So at this part guys, ay pupunta kami sa River Palace Paradium. So dito, makikita natin yung parade sa majestic River Palace with a 2,200 seats fully air conditioned, and then with the parade of the past king and queens. So, ito na yung labas ng palace, guys. So, ang stadium na to ay binuo ng it was a fully surround sound audio system. At then, kinukuha din nila na sila yung my largest lead screen ever constructed for a theatrical events and some of the most sophisticated lighting and special effect technology available in today. So, this is Phuket, Thailand.
Camera deposit ready. This is deposit ang camera guys. Bawal ang camera. Oh my gosh. Weyo. Magtanaw-tanaw may atong kuha. Atong basta sa river na tayo miris basig na parade or what something. Chu. Pero bawal ang camera. Aldrich Wong!
Hi guys, so hindi po tayo nabigyan ng pagkakataon na maka-video sa loob ng River Palace kasi kinupiska po lahat ng mga phone at gadgets. So ito po yung, sa brochure na lang tayo titingin guys, no? So ito po yung sa labas ng River Palace. And then meron pong show sa loob. So ito po yung mga upuan nila guys, para siyang mga theater type. So dito po kami nakaupo guys. And then, dito sa ceiling na to, ito, meron diyang lalabas na mga malalaking bola para lang makapag-interaction din yung mga audience. Sa dulo na guys, sa pinali na ng mga palabas. And then, all these seats here can occupy only 2,200 seats. And it was fully air-conditioned guys. Then, ito po yung sample ng parade. Sample ng parade ng mga malalaking Statue of Liberty. So, ito yung show guys. Ito yung kabuuang show ng River Palace Paradium. And it was glamorous, shining, magical, and so many adventure guys. So, ito na yung finale, no? Ito yung mga dresses nila, ang gaganda, grabe, sobra. Meron ding parade ng guys, yung for their animals, yung mga elephants nila, meron ding alligator with totoo talaga guys, yung ginawan talaga nila ng yung mga malalaking structures, ganun, and sobra po yung so much in grande po yung palabas na yun, sobra with the effects here guys at the back. Here is just like a 3D movie or a TV la. It's a big screen there at the back with will give you also the yung totoong waterfalls, river, yung totoong mga tao sa likod, ganyan, at saka yung parade na yun guys is sobrang hindi nyo po makakalimutan sa buong buhay nyo, with so much effect, grabe. And then malalaking guys, yung gawa sa kahoy or ewan, then binibigyan din nila yung pagkakataon na yung paradise, yung sa nila, sa mga god nila, sa mga anito nila. Meron din katulad sa atin nakahang na mga tao na kumakanta, and then with the angels, and then give you so much of the effects for the paradise and the heaven itself. Oh my gosh! Ito yung sample din guys sa parade ito, with the princesses and all the lakan and all their old prince, king and queens, like this and this, with the effects. And then so much more with the River Carnival Parade show guys. Kaya lang wala talaga tayong video, so i-google nyo lang guys. Ito lang guys. Salamat sa pakikinig. Paalam.